DeadPewPie show. I'm DeadPewPie. And this is my assistant Deadpool. Say hi, Deadpool.
Hi.
Okay, in today's show, we're gonna review a new toy. Deadpool, go get the toy. Hold on a second, folks.
Ah, cool. Look, the Yoda sent this over. Yay.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. I like Star Wars too. Go ahead and play with it and give us a review of the toy, Deadpool, okay? Hold on, folks.
Ta-da! Let's turn it on. There. I think it works. Whoa!
Oh, that's awesome. Go ahead and play with it, Tommy. Hold on, kids.
Okay, so this was upside down. That's why. Go forward. Whoa! That's pretty fast. Back. Whoa! Forward. Whoa! Whoa! Right. Oh, this is cool. Left. Right. Wow! This is awesome. Forward. Back. Back. Forward. Oh, that's so cool. Cool. You wanna go for a ride, Mini-Me?
Oh, be careful.
Okay, you gotta go for a ride.
I said be careful, Tommy.
Oh, okay, sorry, Mini-Me. There. How about that? Yeah!
Ah!
Maybe you should lose some weight, Mini-Me.
Shut up, Tommy. Get me back up. Ah!
Let's see if you can stay on and just turn it, okay?
Okay, so... Oh, that's cool.
Oh, yeah, you did. You stayed on.
Ow! Be careful, Tommy. Oh, that's fun.
There, how about that?
Stop! Stop! I'm falling. I can't get up. Stop, Tommy.
You can just say it'll be fun.
Tommy! Oh, you beast to me, Tommy! Sorry, folks. Hold on. Go get the toy, Tommy.
Okay, I'll give Mimi. There. Fun you are having. Yay, Master Yoda is here.
What? I told you not to invite him over.
But Mimi, it's a talk show. You need some gas.
I guess so. Wait. Go over there. Hi, kids. Today we have a guest. Welcome to the show. It's Yoda from Star Wars. Come on, yay!
Hey, Yoda. Hi, Master Yoda.
Welcome to the show.
Pleasure, it's mine.
Okay, Yoda. We want to know if you're gonna be in Star Wars Episode 8.
Wait, you must. Until movie comes out.
Oh, that sucks. Come on, tell us. Come on, tell us.
Spoil the movie, you will.
What? Oh, you're no fun.
Young Bedouin, advice I have for you. More space on the floor you need. More fun you will have. Oh, Yoda. Oh, that's a great idea.
Oh, yeah. Tell me, why didn't you think of that?
Oh, well, let's just do it.
Alright, folks, we'll take a little break and move our show down to the floor. Let's test out this toy further, okay? Hold on.
Okay, here we are. Ooh, yeah, this is even better. Let's get it spin, yay! Spin! Just holding down the right button. Yeah! Holding down the left button. Go round and round and round and round. Hold down the left button and spin, yay!
Hey, Tommy, don't run into my desk. Fix it.
There you go, there you go. Skills you have, young Padawan. Use the force. Use the force. Okay, Master Yoda. I'll use the force.
Watch where you're driving, Tommy.
Ah, sorry.
Okay, well, that's all for the day, folks. This toy was a fun toy. I think I give it, what do you think, Deadpool?
I give it 2 thumbs up.
Sorry, don't drop me.
Oh, sorry, sorry. I love you.
I love you. I love you too.
Yay. I love you, Yoda. I love you too. I love you too.
That's it for the show, folks. Bye, see you next time. Say bye, Deadpool. Bye, bye.
We love tacos. I love chimichangas.
Chimichangas.
I'm gonna get a selfie with you. Oh, yeah. Oh. I love you too. I love you too. Hey, you got any tacos? Oh, you wanna go get some tacos? Okay.